Very good morning to all of you. Today class like a l'article défini. In last class we have done l'article indéfini, and in this class we will do like l'article défini. Okay, what is the l'article défini? It means the. In English, like the. Okay, so how can I use it? Okay, it is very easy, like la for masculine singular, la used for feminine singular, la used for vowel singular, and lay used for plural. It's like la masculine singular, la feminine singular, la vowel singular, and this plural. Okay, and all about like in English meaning the. I know that in last class we have in French you can't speak any object name without article. That's why article is very important. Articles or adjectives very important for like object. Okay, you can't say like table. You have to speak the table, my table, this table, that table. Okay, it means without article or adjective you can't say anything like any object. Okay, that's why article is very important. So now this time l'article défini, it means the, and la for masculine singular, la for feminine singular, la for vowel singular, and lay for plural. Okay, so now how we can I recognize that? So if any object ending with e, it means feminine singular. Ending with s, x, z, these are plural, and rest it's like masculine singular. But before masculine singular you have to search out like it's a vowel singular or simple masculine singular. Okay, like example, look here, dash estilo. It is not ending with e, it is not ending with sxz, and it is not start with vowel, so that's why we use law. Say farm, it's ending with e, that's why la farm. École, it's ending with e, but before it's a vowel. So first of all, in masculine singular we consider like vowel singular, then you can use like feminine or masculine. Okay, so l'école, and this one garçon, it's like s with plural, so les garçons. The pen, the woman, the school, and the boys. Article indefinite, it's a very important for like a object, because whenever you say like the, use for the table, the chair, the man, the woman, whatever with the, then you have to use like l'article défini. And l'article défini is very simple for that: masculine singular, feminine singular, vowel singular, and plural. Okay, how could I recognize that? It's a very simple, ending with e, feminine singular, sxz, plural. In rest, first of all you search vowel, then you can go masculine singular. Only for 80% it has also, and 20% you have exception, and you have to memorize that. Okay, so now this time like l'article défini. Okay, so it's a very easy. Okay, according to gender you can put there. Okay, thank you. And next class we can use like l'article contracté. Okay,